During the first unit, you were exposed to the idea of proofs. You saw algebraic proofs that should be fairly familiar, where you write a step and then justify, write another step and justify again. If you know your algebra, those justifications were not difficult. They were just steps taken to solve an algebraic equation. This unit is devoted to the study of triangles. It won't be your typical unit of study where you learn new information and then apply it to word problems. Instead, you will find that there will actually be many answers to the problem you work. Each student in the class could have an answer different, and all of them are correct. Pretend for a moment that you are an engineering student, and you have been charged with creating a new bridge over the Trinity River in Dallas. Let's say that 4 other engineering students have been given the same assignment as you. Realistically, each engineer can come up with an original idea for the bridge, and as long as each person stays within the strength parameters of the materials used and obeys the physics of the type of bridge chosen, such as suspension or archway, then each engineer would have accomplished what they set out to do. They designed a bridge over the Trinity River in Dallas. It would then become the job of the customer to choose the bridge that best fits their needs, based on money, time, aesthetics, or anything else. This unit has a creative twist, like the story of the engineering students. Everyone is given the same theorems, the same figure, the same tools, and the same task. But depending on how you think and tackle problems, you may have a totally different pathway to completing the task. Because we will be proving triangles are congruent, you will be charged with gathering information about the parts of the triangle so that you can announce whether or not they are indeed the same triangle. But like the engineering student, your final work may look different from others. You may have chosen to concentrate on something obvious to you within the triangles or figure that some others do not see. You will have parameters to work within, and you'll be required to pay attention to the logic of your proof, but all in all, you could ultimately create something totally different from your friends and still prove that the 2 triangles are congruent. Welcome to the unit that will require some creativity. You will be challenged to think in a new way about math and to use your knowledge of Euclid's theorems to support your way of thinking.
Powered by Video.